In today's XRP price analysis, this digital asset may well be heading for an intraday oversold level. So is this the perfect time to buy? Well, that's without a doubt. However, following the slightly bearish run that's clouded XRP and the entire crypto market, the ratio of its on-chain metrics, the market value to realized value, still hints of a bullish narrative, indicating an undervalued price potential for XRP. Nonetheless, just as the price of XRP renewed its optimism as Ripple bulls mustered a significant buy-in momentum to kickstart the coin's recovery to greater heights, experts are going with the mindset of a 300% upswing for XRP, which would pave the way for a $30 price. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Bitcoin registered a more than 10% upswing over the last 7 days to hit price margins above the $66,000 mark for the first time. XRP's price is about to take up a rally that would see the sixth largest cryptocurrency hitting record highs more than any other crypto out on the market. Although currently engrossed in a consolidation pattern, the momentum reversal indicator has flashed a bottom signal, suggesting that XRP is prepared to move to the upside. Looking at the chart's trend, we could see a vast and potentially massive horizontal triangle. With this level of support and resistance coming in very close to the apex, rest assured we could see the price of XRP holding its crucial support level above the H4 supply resistance zone, which would entail an explosive rally for XRP in the coming weeks. As we come in closer to the apex, if the prices can maintain the current support, we could see a breakout that would eventually see XRP explode to price margins tending towards the $2. In the interim, after which our next target is the $4 mark, next up is $10 a little while after, before the prices take on a 300% price rally to skyrocket to $30. Taking a closer look at the previous respective areas of H4 and daily support or demand, the horizontal on the technical target, which reformed is to be considered a continuation target, once we start to see signs of a breakout of that trend, we eventually do break out, we could be up there testing that white trend line of resistance just there. This white trend line represents a substantial horizontal triangle and hint of a possible breakout in the interim. We are most particular about a flight as Bitcoin breaks out of its months-long resistance to hit almost $67,000. We do have the moon theory, don't we? Let us know your price predictions for XRP in the aftermath of the following events. What do you think would be the price of XRP by the end of this bull run? Or perhaps by the end of the year? What price ranges would XRP plunge into when the SEC lawsuit eventually comes to an end? See, as the SEC keeps asking for an extension of the discovery date, that could take the lawsuit into the following year. However, do let us know what your sellout targets are in the mid to near term, as I expect we'll be in for a pump moon much sooner than we think, maybe within the next day or two. And looking at that particular pump moon, in addition to the dump moon and the ABC correction right on the charts, we could conveniently assert that there is much progress coming in for XRP. Right after the pump move, the dump moon, which went sideways, indicates that we might be ready for a new apex, considering the trend's concurrence to historical patterns. At this point, we could potentially see a breakout which would have XRP tackling the $1.30 marker, placing that impulsive path towards a double-digit score ahead, as we could be on the verge of a long-awaited breakout of the $1 threshold, a trend that could be the break to take us above the $2 mark because we've got some beautiful moon pumps coming in. We could see a moon pump that kind of pumped a little bit there, taking out the side before facing another rejection. After that, we had another ABC correction of a wave 2 standard. That's because we have come up from wave 1 to wave 2, and right now we're moving into wave 3, a powerful wave. Thus, as we slowly creep up the stairs, XRP is holding a fundamental support level rolled in the exponential moving average, as well as on the daily moving average. As a result, prices will likely break out to more extraordinary highs across the next couple of days. Just as the signals on the shorter time frames hint about a possible explosive week here for XRP, the digital asset could be tackling this low resistance in a moment now. And just as earlier stated, once we break out of the current resistance, XRP will take flight and explode, because this is a previous horizontal, so you get to see newer resistance, as historical data for XRP confirms the trend. So once XRP breaks out of its current psychological resistance level, we should expect to see XRP take off into space to meet the impulsive wave upwards. At this point, our sudden wave target is well placed at the $4.50 mark. Therefore, should XRP start to move up, you could be looking at a whopping 280 to 300% long opportunity for XRP. Thus, we could confidently assert that it is incredibly bullish, just as the entire crypto market is highly bullish. With the overall market cap breaking out of the $2 trillion mark, thus the pattern also places our next target at $3.8 trillion. I believe a technical target around the 1.618 fib level could conveniently take us to $30 when we hit a total of $4.6 trillion in market cap. Bearing that at heart, we could potentially see XRP hitting the $30. Thus, the bulls can maintain that market share. The bear trap candlestick signal visible on Monday, September 20th on the weekly chart confirms a higher trough than that of Monday, June 21st, hence divulging a bullish sign. Similarly, we could see the buildup of a bullish narrative at a pace too slow for newbies to detect, yet enough for expert analysts to observe the likelihood of a $4 to $5 resistance margin before the end of Q4. But before we hit the $4 milestone, XRP will have to break above the two important significant resistances at around $1.30 and $2. Also important to note is that a drop to the below $1 support zone may transfer the trend direction to the bears. At this point, we might be seeing a lower price level for XRP at around the 50 cents margin. Contrary to the weekly time frame, which hints about a bullish momentum on the horizon, the daily chart points towards a rather corrective phase as XRP shows signs of going below the $1.10 price margin, the asset's value at press time. A value below level 25 for the relative strength index would confirm the price floor for the uptrend envisioned by the 7-day chart, just as the price close towards the $2 resistance level would trigger more buying momentum for XRP. However, a thorough analysis of the 4-hour chart indicates a sideways movement for the asset's trading pair with the United States dollar as the $1.06 and $1.02 support areas hold the price from dipping to lower lows, following a hidden bearish divergence on Saturday, October 16th. Hence, a price close below the $1.02 support zone could mean an elongated bearish intraday swing to price ranges around the 89-cent support margin, which is imminent. Therefore, taking a long position before confirming a price close above the $1.20 resistance point is a no-no. For the intraday levels of XRP at the time of publication, the spot rate is placed at $1.09 to $1.10, along with a midterm trend or H4, hinting of a bullish narrative. The volatility is low at this point. At the same time, the support ranges between 89 cents, $1.02, and $1.06. The resistance levels are registered around $1.20 to $1.40. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.